You can always tell the truth if you wait till the end, you know.
Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Geniuswigs. I will leave all the information and details in the info section below, so be sure to check there. So I decided to pick up their new breathable single knot crystal clear 13 by 6.5 inch lace frontal wig, and this is what it looks like. My wig is 20 inches long, 200% density, and once again, this is what it looks like. It does have that crystal clear lace, and the knots are already bleached. You guys probably don't even notice the knots because they're super tiny. They're single knotted, and this wig also features their new breathable cap, especially being that it's just been so hot lately. I think that is due to climate change. I don't know, but for whatever reason, it's so hot. And I think that this wig is super convenient because you can stay cool while wearing it and looking good at the same time. This wig is also fitted to where it lays extremely flat on your forehead, so you can get a more of a precise application and an even melt. But once again, this is what this wig looks like. Now this wig requires absolutely no work. Exactly how you receive it, all you really have to do is just throw it on and go. But I will be flat ironing this hair just to kind of get rid of the creases that formed while the wig was being shipped to me. So y'all, did you guys notice my silk press and how literally I walked outside, I started sweating, and it began to revert back like literally in like an hour. But I am planning on doing a wash routine, so if you guys want to see that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll be sure to get that video out to you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. You guys did notice that this wig does come with an elastic band in the back to give you a custom fit. You can adjust it to your head shape. It doesn't bunch up in the back, it doesn't push off against your forehead. Everything lies very flat, so that way you get an even melt and a precise application. You guys are going to see it come together. You guys notice that the lace isn't lifting off of my forehead. If you decided that you didn't want to glue this wig down, this is a very simple, easy glueless application. And once again, you do have that elastic band in the back, so that way you can get a custom fit. But I went ahead and I took the wig off. I decided to add a little bit of foundation just so that it matches a little better with my skin tone and get a flawless melt. But I ultimately decided that I will be temporarily gluing this wig down. I won't be using like a adhesive or anything like that. I'm just gonna go in with my Ibn lace spray, and we're gonna see how this turns out. So as I'm putting this wig on, I'm looking at myself in my viewfinder, and I'm literally like, this wig is laying so flat. My hair is not even corn rolled as I usually would have it. It's literally in a ponytail, and it's laying super flat. It literally looks like this wig could be growing from my scalp. Oh my goodness, definitely a getter. You guys, once again, check out Geniuswigs. I'll have all their details and information located in the info section below, and if I can find a discount code, I'll be sure to leave one below as well, so you guys can save some cash. But you guys, get into this hair. I'm typically not the one who likes silky straight hair. I tend to go for something that's more like a yucky straight or even kinky straight, but this hair, it's almost like butter. It's super soft, and even when I received it in the mail, I really didn't have to flat iron it or anything like that. I chose to just because there was like a huge crease in it, but y'all, this wig literally popped back straight out of the pack. You guys, get into it. Now the lace is slightly too light. I'm not going to even blame it on the lace. I'm just going to say that it was the even spray. I tend to spray on top of the lace rather than underneath it. So if you want that super refined melt, definitely spray your melting spray or whatever you have underneath the lace. Let it get tacky and then apply it, so therefore you get a flawless application. But for the most part, you guys, get into this hair. It's super gorgeous, super soft. I didn't notice any shedding, any tangling, anything like that. But once again, you guys, check out Geniuswigs. I'll leave all the information in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.